So today we're going to start by replacing the ignition coil, and then we're going to replace the spark plug wires, and finally the IAC gasket, which was totally busted from us cleaning it. So yeah, let's do the thing. We're going to start on the ignition coil, which to get to you got to poke at this bolt and this bolt. Pretty straightforward.
So it's really important to know the order of the coils. So this was 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Don't drop them into the spark plug hole. That would be bad. There is a wire to disconnect. Ba-bam. Out it goes. So we have this nice brand new ignition coil. I got it from Rock Auto, and it came stupid fast, faster than everything else, which is why we're doing this today. Whoa. Wow, that is really shiny. New shiny ignition coil that isn't dirty. Fresh. So then, putting it where it's gotta go. Da-da-da! New NGK spark plug wires. They're an exact replacement of the old wire, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I have no idea how old these are, so fresh boys. So these are nicely labeled with numbers. Thank God, if you don't want to cry about it like I would later. Should we go in a particular order, you think?
1 to 1.
First one. Scary. This is nerve-wracking. So we're going to start from the back and work our way forward with number 4. To get to the IAC, we got to get rid of all of this, being the intakey 2B boy, and then the IAC is on the TPS, right? No, that's there, right?
This is the opposition sensor. Your IAC is underneath.
Yeah.
This is your airflow meter.
Yeah. That's the coolant line, B-dubs. is where you get into the meat of the effort, you see. Here is our TPS, and the IAC is sitting just below it.
Those are troubles.
We gotta get rid of the throttle cable, and Ben is gonna pull it off. All gone.
Close.
Oh, this is the coolant tube you want to get rid of. The one on the left. Not that one. This one. It's all good. Ben's going to use a screwdriver to disconnect that sensor boy.
Don't lose this.
And another sensor below that top one. That one's easy. No clip needed.
A little bit of coolant will drip out of that one. Not very much. Start to come off.
That's the coolant line. B-dubs. Once you do your 2 tubes, 4 12 mils, 2 are longer, 2 are shorter.
Now, it won't spill any coolant if you prop it up that way. So this is your throttle body along with your idle air control valve. It does have coolant running through it. We have to remove 3 screws on the bottom here. 1, 2, and 3. They are JIS screws, which are different than Phillips heads. So you should use a JIS screwdriver if you don't want to strip them out. This is a JIS screwdriver. You can order them on Amazon, but they are designed to work with these screws. The short screw goes on the back of the throttle body towards where the throttle cable goes. And there's another shorter one which also goes on the same side, on the throttle side.
Oh, gasket.
New gasket going in.
Ta-da!
Gonna dry this off with a little bit of the coolant that's left over.
You can see this looks suspiciously clean. How did you clean it, Mr. Ben?
Just brake clean. Like when this is apart, just brake clean in each of the veins. Trying to get out all the gunk on the IAC so it moves freely.
Sweet. Let's get it in.
It's coming off in pieces.
Ugh. If you thought you were done, but wait, there's another gasket. And this one is stuck. So Ben is going at it with a razor blade.
Carefully.
Carefully. Always be careful.
Now let's do it all in reverse. Time to put it back in. And here we have Ben reattaching the throttle cable.
Vroom vroom. Reinstall your connectors. And that clip that we told you not to lose before. Nice. Clamp, clamp. Clamp, squish it. Finishing piece. And we're off. Now the final test. Interesting. It's a little wiggly. So the verdict is we think she's okay. I'm gonna drive her around tomorrow, hopefully. And yes. That's it. See you.